What's up, everybody, and welcome to a special episode of Freak Eating. Today we have White Lightning. This is a white chocolate bar that comes infused with 12 of the world's hottest peppers. It comes to us from the Fuego Spice Company, and it's this year's edition of the Choco Challenge. In years past, I know they've done some dark chocolate, they've done milk chocolate, I think, but now we get white chocolate. Warning, it is stupid spicy. The good thing is it's actually made with real peppers. It's not extract, it's not oil. But the nice thing about it is for every bar that you buy off the website, they will donate 50 meals through Feeding America. So it is for a good cause. And if you're into heat, if you're into making yourself suffer a little bit, they have a contest of filming yourself and sharing it, tagging Choco Challenge 2020. And they're going to pick winners for a drawing. So I'm going to have that here on the screen so you can see it. With no fanfare, no BS, and no Stalin, let's get freaky. Alright, so a little bit nervous, which tends to happen when these things start up. On every box here it says, "You must be insane to consume this pain. It's your last chance to turn back." And it's actually a little square. They're not very big at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and get them all out. And the standard challenge, obviously, is just to eat one of these. But I'm going to be a little bit on the wild side and eat 3 of them. Tiny squares. Each of them has that little sticker, so you know it is from the Fuego Spice Company. Let's see if I can give you a rundown on the 12 peppers that are used. It's from the Pucker Butt Pepper Company. They're the ones who actually kind of created the Carolina Reaper. I don't see any listing of the peppers actually, but it's got to have Carolina Reaper, Ghost Pepper, Habanero, and Scorpion, so on and so forth. It just looks like a little square of chocolate. It's a little darker than what white chocolate usually is, and I'm guessing it's because of all the peppers on there. There's no exact rules for what we're supposed to do here. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to eat all 3, and then I'm just going to endure a 5-minute afterburn. I think that sounds pretty fair. So here we go. Oh, I don't even taste anything sweet at all. It's just heat. It's like straight up just pepper. Damn, it's just nothing but heat. I'm already hiccuping. This is hell. But I suppose it's hell for a good cause. I'm starting the stopwatch. We're 13 seconds in. I feel burning and tingling all over my mouth. My tongue is burning. I'm sweating. Started to swallow. Actually, I almost breathed some of my saliva in. It's getting a little hotter. I don't think the worst is over yet. It's amazing how quickly those hiccups set in though. I know hiccups are kind of a genetic thing. My brother and I both get them when we eat really spicy things. It's pretty rough. It's calming down a bit. There's quite a few food challengers here on YouTube who have done this challenge. I've just been a little late to the game. The good thing about spicy stuff is it's over pretty quick. You can kind of move on and enjoy your day. So what I have to do now, as I'm 2 minutes into the afterburn, eat the entire bar. I ate 3. Take a video or photo of yourself. Terrible sweet pain of ways. There's pain. I don't know if it's sweet pain. Post the video on social media for a chance to win a year of hot sauce, because that's just what you need after you're just burning more hot sauce. Be sure to tag Fuego Box, Feeding America, and hashtag Choco Challenge 2020. They can only see public profiles. They're going to pick 5 random winners this year in August and next year in April of 2021. Eat at your own risk. Well, definitely did that at my own risk. Forgot to say it, so I'll say it now. Don't try this at home or anywhere else. I think I do okay with spicy things, but I never look forward to doing them. Got about another minute and a half of this afterburn to go through. You may notice that I'm here in my kitchen, trying to find a good place, and we're in my home to film things and trying to learn how to get the light setup going. I think I have a pretty decent setup here. This is the 3rd video I've done in the kitchen with my back to the stove. And I think I like it. The burning has actually just settled. It's just in the roof of my mouth now. I feel a slight pain in my stomach. It's nothing to worry about just yet, but I'm pretty sure that I will have have fiery exit later. Again, nothing to look forward to. But it's for a good cause. And I think that's the only reason that I would have agreed to take on this Choco Challenge. One of the side effects, unfortunately, that I suffer when I do super spicy foods is that my taste buds don't work right for the next couple days. So, just one of the prices you pay. 15 seconds to go. Feel pretty good, but of course once I eat something or drink something, it's going to be bad again. So here's 5 minutes, and I think I've earned a little bit of yogurt. Excuse me. Oh, that's all it took. Cough unsettled some of the capsaicin. And this has been the Choco Challenge, brought to you by the Fuego Spice Company. White Lightning. And bonus points if you can figure out the connection between the shirt I'm wearing and the name of the chocolate I just ate. Of course, it probably helps if you were born in the 80s, but... Thank you for watching this episode of Freak Eating. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will see all of you in the next one. So until we do it again, stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak. All right, it's been a few minutes and I'm starting to feel a little bit of a burning in the stomach. Not too bad, hopefully. And a little bit of bloating, which I tend to feel after eating really super spicy things. Peppers are acid, so kind of you get some acidic buildup. It's a good idea to take some Tums here and there. I keep a bottle handy. Hopefully I don't have to take the whole bottle. I don't know what 12 peppers, what concentrations, and you think there's not much, but it's 3 little candy bars. But what they put in there is pretty rough. So if you want to do it, just be advised. Might be a pretty bad night. This is what happens in the hours after a super spicy challenge. Eventually, I think I will come to expect a fiery exit downstairs and perhaps burning pee, but I'll have to let you know.